Hello friends, welcome to Excellent Career. In this tutorial, we are going to learn decision tree regression. You can watch my previous video of simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, polynomial regression if you have any difficulty in that. So let's learn decision tree regression. So here, small grouping takes place. Means we have data set, we have training data sets and we have the test data set. So here we have a data set, and when we train the model, variables fits the curve. So their small grouping is done, and there the average of the subgroups takes place. Means let's say the example of the house prediction price. So we are here we have a training data set that is x1 x2 x3. We have different labels, and the value of the house is y, let's say. So the model fits the curve, that is x1 x2 x3, and the y fits the curve, and the average value of the dependent variable takes place here. Let's say the subgroup takes place, and the average value of the y takes place in a subgroup. And when the test data is given to that model, and if the test data, that is labels x1 x2 x3, are lies in a particular subgroup, the average value of the y is given to that y predict. So I think you understand that how decision tree regression works. So so firstly here so firstly, in a decision tree regression, we firstly import all the libraries that we have required, and after that we define x and y numpy arrays. We have data frame, and we define the x and y numpy arrays, and we from the sklearn library we import train test split, and we split the x train and x test. We split the xy into x train x test and y train y test. You all know that. You can watch my data pre-processing part, I have explained in detail. And after that we import decision tree regressor, and we call the class decision tree regressor with random set 21 or anything what you want. And we fit the curve, that is x train and y train. Here we train our model by x train and y train, and after that we predict the value of y predict when we given the value of x test, and after that we predict y predict and the y test what we have, and we find the difference, and we find the accuracy of our model. So I think you understand that. So simply, in a decision tree regression, we have a training data set, that is here x train, and the y train. Here we have training data sets. So after that, the model plot the curve and the average value of the y for a particular subgroup, for a subgroup takes place. And if a test data, that is if a x test is lies between a particular region, so the average value of the y is given to that, that is the y predict is the average value of the y that is given to that. So I think you understand that how exactly the decision tree works.